Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. Next, we'll demonstrate how to disassemble the toilet seat lid assembly. After flipping up the toilet seat lid assembly, you can lift from the lower section here, or you can lift the seat. The entire toilet seat lid assembly can be lifted up. If it's your first time disassembling it, it may take considerable force. Once disassembled, the entire toilet seat lid assembly can be lifted upward. Flip it backward and you'll see the water hoses. First, unscrew the two side flush hoses. If the toilet has been used, there will be water inside, so be sure to watch out. After unscrewing the two side hoses, next is the main water hose. The main water hose is generally harder to remove. You may need to use a wrench to assist. Once all the hoses are disconnected, there's still one foot sensor cable on the right side. Loosen the connector for the foot sensor cable first, then unplug it. After that, there's just one power plug remaining. At this point, you can fully remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Prepare the above tools in advance. After removing the assembly from the toilet ceramic body, first open the cover. The fixing screws are located on both sides of the cover, each covered by a decorative sticker. Peel off the decorative stickers first. After removing the fixing screws, separate the cover. After separating the cover, there are connecting cables between the base and the cover. These need to be removed. That completes the separation of the base and cover. Next, we're going to replace the microwave sensor module of the toilet. It is located in this area of the cover. After separating the base from the cover, first remove its mounting screws. Once the screws are removed, the module will become loose. If the replacement part you received includes both the receiver and a cable, it's recommended to replace the cable together. Detach the entire microwave receiver module from the control board of the cover. After receiving the new microwave module, place it back into its original position. Reconnect the cables properly. Then tighten all the mounting screws of the microwave module. After tightening, check whether the cables are properly connected. If everything is in order, reassemble the cover and base, and install it back onto the toilet ceramic body. After the repair is complete, reconnect the base and cover. Pay attention to the connecting cables. Each plug has an extra slot as a guide. After reconnecting the cables, check for any issues. If all is normal, reassemble the base and cover. Reinstall the fixing screws. Reattach the decorative pads. Next, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly onto the toilet ceramic body. After finishing the repair and installation, when reassembling the toilet seat lid assembly onto the toilet ceramic body, first organize the cables, and then the hoses. Start by tightening the main inlet hose in the middle. Be careful with the threading. If misaligned, it'll be very difficult to screw in. If it feels hard to turn halfway through, use a wrench to assist. After the installation is complete, place the toilet seat lid assembly back into its original position. Press down the locking clips. Then reconnect everything. Open the water valve and plug in the power.